They've got this secret fund that's linked to half a dozen murders, an arson, explosion. Monique was putting the whole thing together and then she was killed.
Malubat naman.
The kidnapping was fake. She was wearing a one-of-a-kind necklace the day that she disappeared. I found that necklace in Philip's cabin. They took her there, probably to kill her, as soon as she found out what was going on. I was planning on telling Agent Cummings. Did you even know that you were trying to contact her? I wasn't a threat before, I am now. The security won't even let me go shopping.
Paubos na.
Gotta get you away from here. The party. I need you to have my stick ready to go at 7:30. I'll put this in your saddlebag, along with Monique's necklace. You'll find it in Philip's cabin.
You feeling up to this, beautiful?
Of course.
Hello there, beautiful.
Wait. I better go mingle.
Langdale's headed inside.